So, hello, Professor Tatiana. Good morning. Let me walk you through the implementation that I did for the assignment. So for syntax wise, I kind of follow the pattern that you show us how to do it when we implemented ByteStream in class. And the syntax for each method, like they work kind of the same, but with different files. So the syntax, it's not that was not that much different from what you showed us. The difference, like what I had to do more research about it was about the importation for each one, and then figure it out what each method was good for, like what type of data they would perform best. And as you can see, you ask for time tracking and time performance tracking. So I put it here and here. And yeah, I had some comments in the code too because I got a little confused with I'm still a little confused with implementing stuff, and that's how I learned like commenting a lot in my codes. So yeah, and instead of I I think that you noticed that there's no main file in any of this. So those because I implemented a fifth file to create kind of a little application to make it user friendly input. I know that this is it was not mandatory, but I thought there was better to do something like this while imputing because it's just a matter of pressing the number the number for the method. And let me show you the tests. I tested. I wasn't sure. Well, what makes sense in my head is to test the ones that deals with text against each other and the binaries against each other. So that's what I did here. And to make it more clear and more to create a summary, I here is the test the copies that I did testing it out everything here and the I think the results. And like you said, it was a good idea to track the the time and performance because then the numbers like speaks for itself about which method is better to test for which method is best to use for the specific type of data. So for binaries, it's good for bytes. It's good to use the byte streams, but for large files, it's definitely like a go for the buffered version. And for text, the same thing. Like the difference is it's oh my God, it's huge. I actually I literally got surprised when I tested out and I didn't use it um let me show you. I didn't use it like the that big of like two big files, different sizes, but as big as I could manage to create it here. I wasn't sure how to best approach this. But still like the time was amazing and like amazing in a different way, the difference in to dealing with performance in time. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did. Thanks for your attention.